Trying to sculpt in 3D but fighting against your controls? Creativity should flow naturally, not feel like a battle with your mouse. Minverse gives you the power of natural, immersive control with haptic feedback and precise movement, so you can sculpt, design, and explore 3D worlds effortlessly. Imagine feeling the textures of your 3D models instead of just seeing them. Forget laggy, disconnected tools. Real-time dynamic forces let you push, pull, and mold with precision, just like working with real clay. No more guesswork, just pure creative flow. Move effortlessly through your digital workspace. Zoom, rotate, and control your designs as if your hands were inside the screen. Minverse intuitively responds to your touch, making navigation second nature. Switch tools on the fly with a simple gesture. No need to break focus. Whether you're designing, sculpting, or engineering, this is control the way it was meant to be. Minverse doesn't just change how you work, it changes how you create. Want to stay ahead with the coolest gadgets? We share exciting innovations every single day. Don't forget to check the description below for exclusive details and join the conversation in the comments.